Can you say your age in English? Welcome to Learn English with Dee. Now let's talk about our age in English. When we want to ask someone's age, we say, how old are you? Can you repeat after me? How old are you? Great job. How old are you? And you can reply, or the person can reply, I'm the number, maybe 20 years old. Or I'm 10 years old. Another quick tip. When the number is 1, we don't put S in year. We say, I'm 1 year old. She is 1 year old. Very good. But if she is older than 1, or the number is more than 1, we can say, I'm 20 years old with the S. I'm 20 years old. Or for short, I'm 20. So this is how to talk about your age in English. So let's go back and start from the beginning from our introduction. So let's have a little role play. Hello. Good afternoon. What's your name? My name is Dee, or I'm Dee. How old are you? I'm 30 years old. Nice to meet you. Great job. You did a wonderful job. So this is how we can introduce ourselves. We are still learning how to introduce and greet people and, have little conversations with them. So well done. Remember, you have to stick around so that you can learn more. It was lovely having you here, and I can't wait to see you in our next video. Bye.